How's it going, YouTube? So I just unboxed the 5-inch Ford Ranger lift kit by Rough Country, and we got over here in box 1. It's just the cross members, pretty decent for $1,000. Like, they seem pretty thick. I think they're gonna hold up, but we're gonna put it to the test when I get it installed. Guess we'll have to find out. And then box 2 came with 4 boxes. This is box 2, is the spindles, and these are pretty good quality, I think. I mean, paint's not the best, but nice and heavy cast iron. I don't think we're gonna have an issue with those, as long as the wheel bearing fits in there properly, or wheel hub assembly. Box 3 was the skid plate and the diff mounts and a bunch of hardware. Oh, and also the torsion bar things. I don't know what they're called, but you know where the torsion bars go and the torsion keys. And then in box 4 we got the shocks, the U-bolts. We also got the lift for the back axle with the bump stops that mount in right there. All pretty thick steel, so I think it's gonna hold up pretty well, but like I said, we'll find out when I get it installed and beat on it for a while. And here's the sway bar end links. I like how they came painted. Would open it up, but I only got one hand to work with here, so it's my first video. So hopefully they'll get better as I go on reviewing this lift kit and other Ford Ranger mods. That's what my channel is going to be about. Got a bunch of hardware there. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'll be going over more of the parts in depth when I install it in the next video. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe to stay tuned for that, feel free to. Thanks.